So today we're here with
Andrew Campbell, otherwise known as Rosie Girl.
and today we're here with
Kejsean Mars.
today we'll be doing how Jamaican are you? So a number of questions will be asked and the first one to clap their hands when the question is being asked will get the chance to answer first, and if you get the question correct, you'll get a point until the person with the most points at the end of the game wins the game. Clear?
Yeah.
Alright. Question number 1. How many national heroes does Jamaica have?
7.
Wrong.
6.
Correct.
Yeah.
In what year did Jamaica gain independence?
1961.
2 on the win, correct?
No.
1960.
God have mercy upon us.
1962.
62.
Yeah.
What is the exact date?
It's the 6th of August, 1962.
You still get it incorrect still, because wrong answer came first. 1961 you say, him said 1990.
But I corrected myself. You said give the exact date, and I said the exact date is the 6th of August, 1962.
Should you get the point?
Yes, I think so.
Alright. How many parishes are in Jamaica?
14.
Correct. What does the gold on the Jamaican flag represent?
Prosperity.
The. No one.
Wrong.
Sunshine.
The sun? Judges? That's correct.
Which I guess.
We'll take that answer. Who is on the Jamaican $5,000 bill? Full name?
Honorable Hugh Lawson Sheriff.
Correct. What are the names of the 3 counties in Jamaica?
Middlesex. County. And the. Oh, sorry.
Wrong.
Cornwall, Middlesex,
Yeah.
and Surrey.
Correct. Which parish is the biggest parish
Send that.
in Okay, correct. Not even finished, right? Who led the Morant Bay Rebellion?
Samuel.
Incorrect.
Yeah.
Paul Walker.
Correct. Whoa. That was no easy. What is the capital of St. Mary?
Port Mara.
Correct. Who was the first Prime Minister of Jamaica?
Alexander Bustamante.
Correct. So now, the final points are Rosie at
5.
you sure?
6.
And you at
3.
yeah, 3. 10 questions were asked. So you at 7. It will be reviewed, but I'm sure that you won because
Of course, I'm the winner.
alright. So
And I'm the holder. So I have more experience and I know, but I'm very patriotic, you know.